SBEV stock analysis and SBEV stock predictions. So in this 1-minute video, I'm going to show you exactly what I'm going to do and how I'm going to trade. Splash Beverage Group. First thing on the list, no one else in this space has done 48,000 stock reviews like I've done over 5 years. I have proof of everything, so I've seen what's making me money and what's not. This is clearly going down. One thing that I also must say is that, let's go here, daily chart. It's a solid bearish market, dude. I mean, I'm looking at it from like every angle. There's nothing but just corpse. This is bad. I don't like it at all. Can you scalp alongside? Sure. I mean, for me, I'll be happy if I start seeing breaks about 45 cents, because this thing is just pure agony right now. Do you have SBEV receipts here? Yeah, I do have two. Sick. Nah, I mean, for me, this is how it's sitting at right now. Obviously not financial advice, so stay tuned. If you want to get stock picks, tips, and insights for free, then just click the first link in the description. You can get my frameworks that I trade to use profitably, consistently. It's free. See you in the next one.